Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you guys are seeing my video for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit like to this video if you like this video. Okay guys, so I have done a video previously as my 5:30 a.m. morning routine. So पहले I used to wake up at 5:30. I have woken up for almost a year, and after that my routine changed and a lot of things changed in my life. So I started waking up at 6:30, like 1 hour late कर दिया मैंने. That time my morning routine was very different. So if you are interested in that, you can watch that video which has like I wake up at 5:30, and it was really amazing experience. I just enjoyed that thing. But now this routine is something very relaxed. Yes, somewhat same hai, but this one is little relaxed one because उस time पे I was a different person. Now I am a different person. Things were different in my life. Now it is different. So yes, people do change. Things change, surroundings change, and we grow. So yes, my routine starts at like my morning routine. It includes like skincare, fitness, and everything. So I'll just go ahead with like what my morning starts with and how it goes ahead till I go to office. So I wake up at 6:30 and I go office by 9:30, approximately like 9:30ish 10. So it totally depends. 9:30 और 10 के बीच में I leave in short. तो वहाँ से सुबह से लेके 9:30 तक what I do in the morning, I'll just share with you guys today in this morning, so you can just take those things in your life and try to incorporate. And I am someone who try new things, different things almost every 2-3 months. So I keep on changing my routines and I incorporate new things in my routine just so that it can help me grow in life, emotionally, physically, and in all the aspects of life जो भी अच्छी चीजें होती है. So yes, बहुत बकबक कर ली. Without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so the first thing, my alarm, I keep an alarm of 6:15 जो मैं स्नोज कर देती हूँ या तो मैं बंद कर देती हूँ. उसके बाद आई कीप अ सेकेंड अलार्म दैट इज ऑफ 6:30. मैं 2 अलार्म्स रखती हूँ. येस, टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम जस्ट लाइक यू गाइज. मेरे को नहीं होता है एक ही उसमें उठने में. मेरे को चाहिए 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा, 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा, 15 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा सोने के लिए आफ्टर आई वेक अप. तो इसीलिए मैं 2 अलार्म्स रखती हूँ. तो आई वेक अप एट 6:30 एग्जैक्टली. उसके बाद आफ्टर आई वेक अप आई जस्ट पुट माई बेड प्रॉपर, लाइक एकदम अच्छे से बेड वेड सब प्रॉपर कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट टास्क विच आई डू ऑफ द डे एंड दिस लिटरली गिव्स मी good vibes in short. Yes, so that's what I do for the first thing in the morning. Now after that I go to washroom, I get freshen up, I wash my face, I change my outfit for gym and I do those things, and after that I come out. Then next thing I do is meditation for almost 5 to 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes तक मैं वो करती हूँ. तब तक तो ऑलमोस्ट 7 o'clock हो जाता है ये सब पूरा कंप्लीट करने में प्रोसेस. तो मेडिटेशन आई डू थीटा स्टेट मेडिटेशन बिकॉज वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है एंड आई गेस मुझे वही आता है. तो आई हैव लर्न दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम यूट्यूब एंड यू विल बी आस्किंग मी दैट ये रूटीन कहाँ से लिया है. सो दिस इज द रूटीन विच आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल following, rich people following, successful people following. So I tried that in my 5:30 वाला routine. उसके बाद the things which was good for me and the things which I liked and which was comfortable for me, I combined those things and I made my own routine. So you can also take few things from here and there and make your own routine for yourself, whichever is good for you. Okay, after that after meditation what I do is I fill up my bottle, like my bottle for gym. I take my socks, I pack my bag, I take my earphones and I just pack my gym bag. बहुत जल्दी होती है सुबह because I am always late. वो late हो ही जाता है सुबह. After that I have my dry fruits. That's what I have before going to gym, and that's my pre-workout food, you can say that, and something which is empty stomach. So I have that early in the morning. Dry fruits तो मैं ऐसे ही मतलब सब हाथ में लेके या मुंह में डाल के मैं निकल जाती हूँ for gym. So I leave, I take my keys, I go by two-wheeler Activa, so I take my keys and I leave home. So it's approximately 7:05 to 7:10 when I leave home. So I reach gym by 7:15 to 7:20, and 40 minutes I stay at gym. And my gym routine is alternate days कार्डियो एंड स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट, कार्डियो स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट, तो ऐसे ऑल्टरनेट डेज करती हूँ मैं. कभी कभी स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट आई मिस आउट दैट बिकॉज वो ओवर एक्सरसाइज हो जाता है मेरे बॉडी के हिसाब से, तो वो मैं स्किप भी कर देती हूँ. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट इज ऑल्टरनेट डेज कार्डियो स्ट्रेंथ, कार्डियो स्ट्रेंथ. Yes, that's what is working for me. And for the people who ask me, तुझे जिम की क्या जरूरत है? बेटा जिम की मुझे नहीं जरूरत है, सबको जरूरत होती है. Because gym is not only for weight loss, it is something which you can have something physical activities in your day, and this is the gym which I go right now. उसके पहले I used to go for Zumba, उसके पहले I used to go to play cricket, उसके पहले मैं skating करने जाती थी. तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ different activity करती रहती हूँ. So yes, 40 minutes like approximately 1 hour के लिए मुझे morning में चाहिए any of the physical activity which makes my day amazing. So yes, even you can try 1 hour of your physical activity before starting your day. It literally helps. Okay, I return to home from gym by 8:05, 8:10, पास में ही है. So I leave from there by 8 o'clock और 5-10 मिनट में मैं आ जाती हूँ घर पे. So once I reach home, clean the home and help mom in a lot of home household things which are important. डेली का ब्रूमिंग मुझे ही करना रहता है, लाइक झाड़ू लगाना सब मुझे ही सुबह सुबह करना रहता है, तो आई डू दैट. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज आई फिल अप माई डायरी एवरी डे, जिसमें मेरा टू डू लिस्ट रहता है, जिसमें मेरी सारी बेसिक चीजें रहती है, विच आई फिल इट अप लाइक एवरी डे, लाइक what's my schedule for today, what I have to do today, something important things, and one good deed, and affirmations and gratefulness. Yes, this is very important. One more thing I would like to share with you guys is that writing affirmations do help, and being grateful for the things which you already have is very very important. Yes, gratefulness people say रात को लिखना चाहिए, but मैं सुबह ही लिख देती हूँ. I am grateful for the day. तो मतलब मैं पहले सुबह ही लिख देती हूँ. आई लाइक टू फिनिश दीज थिंग्स इन द मॉर्निंग. सो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड हेल्प मी टू बी मेंटली हेल्दी एज वेल. लाइक फिजिकल हेल्थ पे हम लोग फोकस करते हैं, तो वाई नॉट द मेंटल हेल्थ. सो बोथ आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, सो आई फोकस ऑन बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स. आई गो एंड टेक बाथ. Yes, that's very important because already बहुत sweaty हो गया रहता है body. So I just go and refresh myself and I take bath, and that's almost approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And if you ask me, I take bath with hot water. Like, I won't say warm water, I take bath with hot water, seriously. And I know this is not good, but this is what my habit is and I'm not able to change it. Hope for the best कि वो change हो जाए. Because at least I should shift for a warm water. मेरे स्किन डॉक्टर ने भी बोला है कि don't use hot water, use warm water और cold water. But हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, ऐसा वाला सीन है, नहीं हो पा रहा है. I've tried many times. ऐसा नहीं है I haven't tried, but हो जाएगा. One or the other day I'll go for warm water, after that cold water. Let's see. For skincare, what I do is I apply the toner and sunscreen. That's it. कोई मेकअप नहीं करती हूँ अभी मैं. That's it. And after that I go for पूजा. Yes, I am Jain, so मैं पूजा करने जाती हूँ. तो उसके लिए I wear these kind of attires like alternate days या ऐसे. So yes, I just like this. So मैं पूजा करने में भी आई टेक हार्डली 15 to 20 मिनट्स. मेरा हर टास्क ना 15-20 मिनट्स का ही होता है, इफ यू हैव नोटिस दैट थिंग. तो यस, सिर्फ जिम इतना लंबा होता है. फिर उसके बाद ओके, आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम डूइंग पूजा, व्हाट आई डू इज नेक्स्ट थिंग आई फोल्ड माई दोज क्लोथ्स, सिलेक्ट माई आउटफिट, वेयर दोज आउटफिट फॉर ऑफिस, लाइक मुझे ऑफिस में क्या पहनना है. ओके, सो ये सब पूरा टास्क करने में अप्रोक्सीमेटली हो जाता है 9 o'clock. After that, I brush my teeth. I know, too late, but this is what my routine is. This is what I do. I brush my teeth, and for that I use this electronic brush which I have ordered from Amazon. This is amazing. Like, this literally changed my life. After changed something in my life, like in the perspective of cleaning teeth. So this is really amazing. So I started using that, and I brush my teeth. After that, I have my breakfast and milk. After that, I come back in front of the mirror, and what I do is I make up. Not typically a makeup. I don't do daily high level of makeup. What I do is I just, since I have already applied the sunscreen, I just apply the compact powder. I do kajal. Not a kajal, a liner. Yes, I apply liner and lipstick and just comb my hair and take my bag and keep my tiffin and fill up my bottle again. जो मैं जिम लेके गई थी वो used हो गया रहता है, तो I fill it up again, and I take my bag, my tiffin, and yes, I leave for office. And in case of tiffin, yes, my mom makes tiffin. I stay with my parents, so of course my mom makes food, but if she have been somewhere and I have to cook food, then थोड़ा सा routine different होता है. But this is something is my daily routine, and yes, I spend this much amount of time before starting my actual day at work, and this is really very helpful, and this is really amazing. I just love it. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this was something useful and you learned something and you'll incorporate something or the other in your life, and it is very useful. Trust me on this. And yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do connect with me on Instagram. Yes, that was all. Give a thumbs up. See you in next video. Bye bye.